Hi, good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's Eddie Ho, Chanmag Bakery Machine Company. We produce complete bakery production line machines, from mixers to ovens, slicers, and so on. We are also ISO 9001. All our products are made in Taiwan. We have been in this business for 44 years with customers worldwide spread in 5 continents. Let's see our new products video.
Chanmag CM200 ASD spiral mixer with removable bowl is made of 304 stainless steel, which is your best choice. Stirring is the key to making good bread. CM200 ASD can adjust the rotation of the bowl manually or automatically, and precisely control of 2-stage speed and time by the digital panel. 10 mixing process settings. Achieves more humanized operations to make perfect bread. The removable hydraulic system design uses the pressure to locate position of bowl. Ensures the stirring precisely and substantially enhance the stirring efficiency. Extend the machine life, meet the application of continuous production line. Removable bowl match with tilting system or lifter. Ensures the hygiene during mass production automation. Spiral mixer is suitable for bakery, baking laboratory, and central factory. Our products are sold all over the world, worthy of your trust.
We have twin twist mixer and double spiral hook mixer. We can also provide market information on trends and guide you to successful career. We look forward to the like-minded friends who are interested in bakery industry to become partners with us. Welcome to visit our website at www.chanmag.com.tw to know more about us as well as our products. Thank you very much for your patience, listening and watching. Let's see our certificate.
With 40-year experience, Chanmag knows your demand. Our machines would help you to expand your production. In the meanwhile, you could also take care of the quality and meet the hygiene requirement. Our toast production line can produce 1,200 loaves per hour, about 6,000 pieces of dough, even reach 1,500 loaves. The whole line is efficient, with good quality, which would make you satisfied. Stirring is an important step to make delicious bread. Through our twin twist mixer that the original stirring hook design in Taiwan can evenly, quickly, and smoothly mix the high-quality dough. It even saves at least 20% of the stirring time compared to other normal mixers. Or use a horizontal type mixer is suitable for higher humidity of dough, via lifting and tilting system, which saves the manpower to take the dough out from mixing bowl and put it into the auto volumetric dough divider. The divider can accurately control the dough weight, then with the inverter drive adjust the division times and conveyor speed, so that you can adjust to the required production easily. Next step, the dough will be sent to our cylindrical rounder that the track for rounding greatly increases the rounding area. Let the dough can be rounded properly, and make the dough like handmade. After rounding, the dough will be sent to the intermediate proofer for a while, where it can provide stable humidity and temperature to help yeast play a good role. In addition, it equips with UV lamp for sterilization, makes sure the hygiene of the product. After molding, the dough enters into the final fermentation. Our machine can control the best temperature and humidity, make the dough reach the best condition, then send it to baking. In the baking stage, use with our rotary oven, which delivers hot air everywhere in the baking chamber, so that the dough can be evenly heated. After being fully baked, the mouth-watering bread is complete. Finally, the bread will be sent to slice and package. Let customers can taste the fresh, delicious bread. Chanmag's 5 major production lines: bread production line, toast production line, hot dog production line, bread crumb production line, cake production line, which could satisfy your demand for high productivity in different kinds of factory and bakery. combine different tray panning system and wobble plate device to expand the product range. Our equipment is totally made in Taiwan and obtains the CE, TOEFL, and ISO 9001 certification. We can proudly say that 1/3 of countries in the world are using our equipment. We definitely have strong strength to stand on the world stage. Choosing Chanmag makes your dreams easier because we are your best reliable partner.